let's unbox something. This is the Govee Aura Mini, and it's like a kid's version of the Aura. So let's take a look. So I'm gonna completely ignore the box because it's pretty self-explanatory. Get a couple of cards, user manual, and then it's the light itself. So it's pretty small. Let me rip this thing open. Has a glossy plastic finish on the top, and then you also get a USB-C to A cable in the box. This thing runs on USB-C, which is pretty cool. Unfortunately, they don't give you a charging block in the box, so you're just kind of left to provide your own. Luckily, it's super easy to remove the tag that they put on the cable, so bonus points for that. So looking at the product itself, you have a microphone for music mode, the Govee logo, USB-C port on the back, a button, which I assume is for power. You can also tap it to change colors and stuff, and then some information on the bottom. So, just to prove that USB-C really is awesome, and it's a feature that they should have on their other products, I'm going to do this video with it powered by a battery bank, because that's something you can do. So, once you plug it in, it'll go ahead and turn on. You see that you can tap it, or tap the surface it's on, to change the color, which is pretty cool. So I think all that's left is go ahead and get in the app. It shows up immediately, so that's pretty cool. It's going to ask us to push the button on the back. Then I'm just going to call it nightstand. And there you go. I just got connected to Wi-Fi. That way I can ask my favorite voice assistant to, change the color, do stuff. So in the app, it's pretty simple for a Govee device. You can turn on and off the tap feature. So you can see now I can't tap it. Now I can. So you can just change the color in the app. That's pretty simple. Whoa, hold on. Let me turn off the tap feature so it doesn't drive us crazy. You can change the color in the app. Then you can, since it is RGBWW, you get some good quality whites. I'm not entirely sure how bright it is, so let's check the manual, see what it says. So it's 120 lumens on white, and I assume it's also, I'm guessing it's a little bit dimmer on color since it's, color isn't always as bright. But honestly, the color reproduction, it looks horrible on camera, but in person it looks really good. It's very uniform. The whole thing looks the same color. It doesn't have like weird variations and stuff. It's quality-wise, it's very good. So let's take a look at the scenes. So you have like rainbow. You have a nice kind of sunset glow, which is kind of pinky orange. You have forest, which is green. River, blue. And some other ones. Flower field. That's pretty cool. Now, this is more of a kids type product, so you're going to get some kids oriented themes, such as cartoon. Actually, most of them aren't kids related, but you do have some animals like firefly, chameleon, toucan, peacock, and jellyfish. I like the jellyfish one, that's cool. And there's some more, but we don't have time to go through all of them here. So another cool feature about Govee stuff is there's DIYs. So let's go ahead and make one. So I'm going to give it a name, test for video. Then you can select the group it's in. I have a few different groups already. So I'm just going to say RGB only. And then I'm going to say gradient. And then I'm going to go with this blue. Maybe that green. And how about we go with some like purple-y pink. And so that actually looks really cool. So let me turn up the speed. And then it'll go ahead and kind of cycle through those colors. It looks really good. In terms of music mode, it'll flash to the beat of the music, which is pretty cool. Another cool feature is if you go into settings, you can actually choose the preset colors. So if I tap it, you can see it goes through those colors. But I can actually change what colors it goes through. So if I want, this is more aimed for a child, so maybe my child is really into, I don't know, blues and greens. So I can add some different blues and greens, and maybe they don't like yellow or orange, so I can take those out and do that. Then get rid of those two. So now when they tap it, it'll just go through different like shades of blue, which is, in my opinion, pretty cool. I do find it interesting that the tap feature is just a vibration sensor. So as you can see, if I go ahead and knock, it'll change color, which I think is kind of funny, but hey, cool. You also have a schedule feature. Govee calls it a timer, but it's a schedule feature where you can say maybe you want to have your child goes to bed at 9 o'clock and you want to make sure the light goes off, but only on school nights. Or, wait, yeah, so that'd be school nights. So, you can do that. Or if you want your child to wake up, feeling great, you can have it help them do that. So, I actually use this feature on some of my other devices for the wake up, and it works great. That's about it for the Govee Aura Mini. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye.